Dear participants, welcome to this 2-week FDP on e-resource creation. Under this FDP, we are going to teach different tools and techniques which are required for creating the e-resources. Again, we also teach you how to deliver these e-resources to the student with the help of learning management system. So I hope all you have download your enrollment certificate. So let's see which are the different contents which are we going to deliver under this FDP. So first we just discuss about the e-resources, then different Google tools, the most famous LMS, that is Gnomio, different video creation tools, different tools which are required to create the websites, different tools for making the PPT effective with the help of the animations, and different tools for online meeting. So here, what is meant by e-resource? So e-resource is nothing but it is a material which is available in the digital format and which is accessible through the internet. So any content, for example ebook, video, PDF, web pages, databases, e-journals and many more that are called as e-resources. So with the help of e-resources, student can learn the contents with their own pace and with their own convenience, and they can rewind the knowledge anytime. So there are the different tools which are used for creating the e-learning resources. So let's see different tools. So first, the Google. So Google provides the different tools for the education purpose. So for that, the one of the most feature which is provided by the tool which is provided by the Google is the Google Classroom, through which we can send the contents to the student. Again, we can give the submission to the student, we can manage the number of students and so on. Again, we can use the Google form for taking the survey or for taking the feedback from the student, and also for conducting the test online through the Google form. The Google Meet is used for interacting with the different student as well as faculty with each other. So it is a very famous meeting tool which is provided by the Google. LMS, that is Learning Management System. So Learning Management System is basically a digital platform for delivering the contents to the student. Again, student can learn from that content, they can give the reply to the teacher, they can solve the quizzes, they can solve the assignments, submit the assignments and so on. So all this activity that can be performed with the help of this LMS. So L stands for learning, M stands for management and S stands for the system. So LMS is nothing but learning management system, which is a one-stop solution for all the content delivery to the student as well as the teacher. There are different free LMS which are provided free of cost, that is Moodle, first one Moodle, then Canvas, Blackboard, Brightspace and the Training Online. So there are the different websites which provides this free LMS. And the different tools which are used for the video creation. For example, DU Recorder, Cam Studio, Screencast-O-Matic, OBS, OpenShot, and many more tools which are applicable for the Android mobile, iOS mobile, or for the laptop. So any tool can be used for the video creation. So in this FDP, we will demonstrate how to use and how to edit the video by using these tools. Then under this FDP, we will learn different tools which are used for the website building. So WordPress is the one of the most famous tool. Again, we will cover the Google Sites. So these are the two tools which are used for creating your website for free of cost. Again, under this FDP, we will show different animations which can be applied to the PPT for making the PPT effective. So there are the different effects which are already provided by the Microsoft PowerPoint. So by using this effect, we can make our PPT very informative, and we can apply the different animations to our PPT so that it will deliver the content more effectively to the student. Again, under this FDP, we will cover different online meeting tools which are easy for conducting the online lectures, for meeting, for scheduling the meeting with the student, for scheduling the meeting with their parents, and so on. So again, one of the most famous tool, that is Google Meet, again Zoom, again Microsoft Teams, and the WebEx. So these are the different online meeting tools which are easily used for conducting the lectures online and for collaborating or for sharing the knowledge with each other. So these are the different contents which are going to cover under this 2-week FDP. So I hope you will enjoy this FDP. So thank you very much.